Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, let me zoom you in just a little bit because I want you to see the expression on my face when I do this video. Yes. Hey everybody. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Miss V and I'm presently on a journey to retire at an early age, which is 60. Might not be early to some people, but it's early to me. So in order to do that, I'm using a cash envelope system to help save some money. But at the time of this video, my husband and I are consumer debt free. So yay. And we're going to focus on our mortgage this year, but that's not what the video is about. This video is about some of my financial mistakes I made early in life. I'm talking about like my late 20s, early 30s. I am presently 50 years old. So I want to share those mistakes with you, in case you're doing some of them and you may find that they're mistakes, and then you may find that you're okay with the decision you made. So, let's go. The first thing, I got like six mistakes I made. And Salisa over at Beautifully Me and You, she just did a similar video. I'll link that video. So yeah. Hey Salisa. So, first mistake I made was cashing in my 401k, not once, but twice. Yes, I've cashed it in twice. So the first time it was like $10,000, and the second time it was probably like $16,000. So that's over $26,000 that I could have left in my account, and it probably would really have grown by now. So that was like 15 to 20 years ago maybe. Or 10, I don't know. It was a while back. I know it would have accumulated a lot of interest had I left it in the account. So that's the first mistake I made, cashing in my 401k not once but twice. Yes. Whew. And the second thing was like whenever I've gotten a personal loan, like at my credit union, I would do what they call skip a payment. You know, around the holiday time, they give you a choice. You can skip your payment either in November or December, and I did it every year that they offered it, and not realizing you still had to pay the interest, and then all they do is just put that payment that you skipped on the back end of the loan, but you still had to pay the money. You still paying the interest, so I really didn't gain anything by skipping the payments. I thought I was gaining something by having the extra money, but really that was not a good decision now that I know better financially. That's it. So the third thing I did was abuse credit cards. So I just did a video on the 4 things that I learned about credit cards. When they give me a $1,500 limit, I'm thinking I got $1,500, not realizing I need to keep that limit 30% or below. And I was like, why give me $1,500? Like my friend said, they want you to spend the entire $1,500, but I did not know. I was clueless. So all the abuse, you know, just use my credit card just because I didn't want to spend the money at the time. It was many times I had the money, and instead of paying, say like if I went to pick up something that was $300, and I may have had the $300, instead of me going ahead and just paying cash for it, I would swipe my credit card, and I would prefer to pay $25 a month instead of just paying for the item. You know, the mindset I had at that time, just trying to keep money. Trying to keep money in my pocket, but I was damaging my credit, and I was damaging my finances by doing it. These are all my experiences, and these are all my opinions. So yeah, so that's number 3. So we got a total of 6. So I'm gonna stop right here and do a little pause. So since this video was sort of inspired by Salisa over at Beautifully Me and You, I was gonna do, you know, a video like this, but she really inspired me to go ahead and get it out. And I want to go ahead and do a giveaway on one of her planners. She has several. She has the bi-weekly planner. She has a weekly planner. She has a savings challenge planner. She has like 5 of them. I'll link all of them in the video somewhere. So all you have to do is hashtag planner, and I know that you want to be entered for a giveaway. I'll go to her Amazon storefront and order it for you and send it to you. So yeah, so shout out to Beautifully Me and You. Yes. So back to the regularly scheduled program. Let's talk about these mistakes that Ms. V has made. So the 4th mistake I made is just not using my money wisely, you know, because I have made a lot of money over the years, you know, and just instead of trying to pay debt down, this was before I started budgeting. Instead of just trying to pay debt down, I was just steady accumulating more debt and just buying stuff that I really didn't need. You know, just wasting my money, you know, and not contributing. And another mistake I made that goes along with wasting my money is not taking advantage of the 401k match that my different companies were offering. You know, at the time, earlier in life, you know, I do it now, but earlier in life, I could have had more money in my 401k. So just not, you know, using my money wisely. That's the fourth mistake I made. And the fifth mistake I made, I feel like, is I started investing so late in life. Of course, I've been investing when I do my 401k, but I'm just saying, me personally learning how to invest. This last year, 2020, is when I start getting interested in investing. So that's the fifth mistake I feel like I made, investing so late in life. So let me make sure this is recording, because this is the second time I recorded this video. Okay, it's recording. Let's go back. And the last thing, the last mistake I made with money is just not having a good relationship with money. Yeah, I just feel like I didn't have a good relationship with money. So now we use the cash envelope system, and I want to give whoever created that cash envelope system a big hug. Woo! Because it has saved me, because I found it, well, I didn't find out the secret, but I realized what the secret was. Like Dave Ramsey says, we have a personal relationship with money. We're more emotional when we use cash than we are when we use plastic. You know, of course, that's not 100%. That's not for everybody, but that does pertain to me. Because before I started using the cash envelope system, I used my debit card. And there's nothing for me to swipe my card, baby. $567 swipe. $18 swipe. $1,432 swipe. Now, if they say it's $18 and I'd be like, is this something I really need? Do I really want to give them $18 out of my spending money? I think about what I'm buying now that I'm using cash, and I have been doing this almost a whole year. And so, yeah, we do have a emotional attachment to cash. That's my experience anyway. So these 6 things that I just named, I feel like they were mistakes. I feel like I would have been in a better position financially had I not done a lot of these things. But I'm thankful for where I am now in my journey. I'm better than I was. That's the only thing. Remember to do not compete with anyone. Always compete with your previous situation. That's what I say. Compete with how you were. I'm doing much better than I was, so I'm thankful for that. So yeah, so like I said, if you're interested in being entered into the giveaway for any of Salisa's planners, workbook planners, she got planners, savings challenge books. She even have the little small book. So yeah, so just put in the comments #planner, and I know you want to be entered for the giveaway. So that's it. Those are the 6 mistakes that Miss V made financially. And I'm so thankful that I have grown and I have a different mindset. And so I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you can relate to any of these things I talked about, I'll talk to you in the comment section. So this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some things you want. Thank you and have a nice day. Ice Cube, my favorite, baby. Ooh! Had to get gangster. Got to get gangster so I can pay off this mortgage. I've been watching Straight Outta Compton all weekend, even though it's, you know, they use some foul language, but that's real life, baby. I can be motivated. I can be motivated from somebody in the hood, corporate America. It don't matter, as long as you're doing better. So yeah.